Hello and welcome to Furniture Nation. Today I wanted to show you the item from the traditional range for the Belfast cabinet. This is designed to house a 600 standard sink, and just to give you a description of the item, everything is made from solid pine. The sides, the base are all made from 18mm, the backs are from 9mm tongue and groove, and the doors are all 21mm finish. Just show you inside. As you can see, solid bases, solid sides. We fit them on a magnetic catch, and all the doors are fitted on a flush hinge. The sink support rails, they are adjustable, so they can be moved forwards or backwards to allow for anything to do with the waste that you may need to adjust. Now, the unit is designed to be a standalone unit, or fixed in a run, so it can be used for either one, but obviously that needs to be supportive for the sink, which the sinks can weigh around about 8 stone each. So what we've done, we've set one there to show you the stability of the unit with 3 sinks on it, so totaling 24 stone altogether. As you can see, it's more than adequate for the job. I'll just show you inside. As you can see, it is exactly the same as the other unit. There's no extra reinforcement being put in there at all. Now I'll just show you around the back of the unit where it shows the service void. So we fit a 70mm service void in the backs, which will allow for anything you need, just adjustment for pipes, etc. But the backs are also removable from the inside, from the front, so that you can put all the adjustments and then put it back in without having to mess about with the back first. Okay, thank you for watching.